Hey there, medical fans. The other day, Adam sent me a really weird clip. Take a look. Whoa. At first, I thought it might have been a special effect or makeup, because we've encountered clips like that before. Here, take a look at some examples. Interesting. But assuming that it's real, what is it? Some common medical conditions that cause bulges are skin tags, cysts, and tumors. Take a look at some examples of those. They're all filled with somewhat solid material and don't seem to deflate like this does. So what it actually is a specific type of hernia. It's a giant abdominal hernia containing the bowel. And these can happen at any age, but are more common in babies and young children. This patient got it taken care of by a plastic surgeon. So there you go. Did you know what it was right away? Comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.